Okay, we have another job to do on the tractor, the old International 574. It's about 50 years old and it's worked hard here at the farm, and it's a bit tatty, but it always starts first go, and it's been a good workhorse for us. So I can't afford to buy a new tractor, so this one has to do the job, and it's doing it very well. And yeah, we've got to change the fuel filters. We've got a twin fuel filter set up on this. And as you can see, the last time they were changed was the 4th, 2019. And it's now 2025. So I think they're well and truly due for a change. Okay, so when you undo this, it's a very messy job. I've already undone it once because I didn't want to get the camera dirty. But you see, if you just undo this, hopefully it'll come out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This bolt comes off and you've got an O-ring in the bowl, you see that? That's your actual filter canister there, that grey canister. That just comes off and you put your new one on there. But we're going to clean this bolt up. We're going to take that seal off because you get a new rubber seal. Going to clean the bowl and then do the same with the other one and then get ready to reassemble. Right, now I've just taken the filters off. You can see the first filter is nice and clean. Look at that. Looks pretty good. But look what the second filter looks like. Wow. That means the second filter's obviously been getting the hit from the fuel tank and filtering out all the junk. And obviously the second filter is a lot cleaner because a lot of the junk has already been filtered out. So that's probably why they put two filters on, to give you double protection. And it's a really good job they did that. Okay, so we've had a good old clean up there. And we're going to take those old O-ring out there, and the big one around the outside, that big one there. We're going to take those out. We're going to install the new gaskets, which are all here. We're going to install those new gaskets and then we'll put the filters on. Okay, look at these beauties. Brand new on, nice and clean. I've cleaned up the glass bowl properly, so that's all really nice and clean. I've cleaned the bolt as well that goes up through the center. There's a little rubber O-ring there which I've lubricated with oil. There's a gasket that fits on there, rubber gasket. I've also lubricated that with oil as well. There's a little gasket that fits there, that's lubricated in oil. There's a little pickup that goes in the center of the filter inside. That was replaced as well, that O-ring, and covered with oil just to lubricate it. There's a little O-ring here as well, which is lubricated with oil. It's all done up nicely. Now all I've got to do is undo this, undo the tap on the bottom of the fuel tank, and then this should start to fill with fuel. I've undone the tap on the bottom of the fuel tank, and as you can see, we're starting to fill up now. Nice clean red diesel coming through that filter. It should start going into the other one in a moment as well. There we go, it's going into the other one. And now we'll let that fill all the way up to the top, and then you should get some diesel starting to come out here. There we go, it's squirting out the top now, so we'll just do it up. Do it up, do it up, do it up. And yeah, we'll try and start the tractor. Right, there we go, so you started up all right, no problems at all, everything's fine. I've written the date on the filter, and we're good to go.